The Supreme Court has appointed former Judge Justice S. Ravindra Bhatt to lead a task force investigating student suicides in educational institutions across the country. Well, the decision comes in response to growing concerns over the increasing number of suicides among students, particularly from marginalized communities. We are also learning that top court has directed the Delhi police to conduct a thorough investigation into the deaths of two IIT-Delhi students from the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities who died by suicide in 2023. Supreme Court has ordered police probe into the deaths of the two IIT-Delhi students and has also set up a task force to be chaired by its former judge. All right, to talk more on that, my colleague Nupur is also now joining us on the broadcast. She is getting us more on that. Nupur, we understand a task force is now going to be investigating the student suicides in educational institutions across the country. What more details do we have about this task force that is being formed? What timeline now has been set?
Well, the task force will be headed by a former judge, that is S. Ravindra Bhatt. And in fact, the task force has been assigned 4 months to submit an initial report to the Supreme Court on measures that can be taken in the wake of several reported cases of suicides and deaths across higher educational institutions in India. This particular order of setting up a task force today came in a case of two Delhi IIT students who had in fact died in 2023. Their parents had moved the Supreme Court saying that, alleging that their deaths were in fact murders, and they wanted CBI probe in this two cases of deaths in IIT Delhi. The parents had prayed for a CBI probe. However, the Supreme Court has today directed the police to file to in fact probe this case afresh, and has ordered the police to go to the lengths of this case. And these two students actually belong to the SC/ST communities.